Why are you standing so quietly in the kitchen, Amber? You usually smile after baking, but today you look completely disappointed, and it seems like something unexpected has happened. I don't even know where to begin, Sarah, because I was so excited a few minutes ago, but now I feel like all my hard work disappeared in just 1 second. That sounds serious, Amber. Did something happen while you were baking the cake, or did something go wrong after it was ready? The cake turned out perfectly. It looked soft, smelled wonderful, and I decorated it with chocolate cream, colorful sprinkles, and fresh strawberries. The problem happened when I tried to carry it into the dining room. Oh no, did the cake fall? Yes, Sarah. I was holding the cake very carefully, but my foot caught the edge of the small kitchen mat. I lost my balance for just a moment, and the cake slipped out of my hands. It must have been heartbreaking. Did it fall directly onto the floor? Yes, it landed upside down, and the chocolate cream spread across the floor, the strawberries rolled in every direction, and the cake was completely ruined. I can only imagine how you felt after seeing that. I just stood there without saying a word. I couldn't believe that something I worked on for nearly 2 hours was gone in a few seconds. Was the cake for a special celebration? Yes, my family is coming this evening, and I wanted everyone to enjoy a homemade cake instead of buying one from a bakery. That was such a thoughtful plan. I'm sure everyone would have appreciated the effort you put into making it. I followed the recipe very carefully, Sarah. I measured every ingredient, baked it at the right temperature, and even spent extra time decorating it because I wanted it to look perfect. Sometimes accidents happen even when we do everything correctly, Amber. I know, but I still feel disappointed because I wanted today to be special. Did anyone see what happened? No, I was completely alone in the kitchen, so nobody knows about the accident yet. Maybe that's a good thing because now we can quietly solve the problem before everyone arrives. I hope we can because I don't want my family to think I gave up. Tell me honestly, do you still have enough ingredients to bake another cake? Yes, I have extra flour, eggs, butter, sugar, chocolate, and fresh cream because I always buy a little more than I need. That's wonderful. Then don't waste another minute feeling sad because we can bake another cake together. Do you really think we have enough time? Of course. If we both work together, one of us can prepare the batter while the other gets everything ready for baking. That actually sounds like a good plan, and I already feel much more hopeful. Good. Every mistake teaches us something, and today's story might become the funniest memory everyone talks about later. You're right. Instead of thinking about the cake that fell, I'll focus on making an even better one. That's the spirit. Let's get started before the oven gets cold.